Assalamu alaikum, my students. I hope you people are doing well. Well, I am Ramsha Farooq, your English teacher, once again with you with a new topic here. Our topic for today is newspaper report. Before moving towards the newspaper report, let's check it out what actually news is. What is a news? News is a new information and it's usually about something that has just happened. It is basically newly received information, especially about recent events which occurs in a recent time, right? A broadcast or published report. An information which is not previously known to anyone is known as news, right? So now move towards our next slide. Is a newspaper. Now, as we know what news is, now move towards a newspaper. Now, a newspaper is a serial publication which contains news on a current event or a special or general interest. The purpose of newspaper is to convey as efficiently as possible current information or news to a particular audience. Newspaper is basically a medium to tell about a news to the audience, to give information about anything, any event which recently happened. It newspaper is basically a medium for that. We are having some examples of newspapers here, which is New York Times, Times of India, Tribune, Dawn, Junk. Junk is basically a Urdu newspaper, but the other one are basically English one of different countries and different cities as well. Okay, now move towards the next slide. What is a newspaper report? As we have done with news and newspapers, so let's move towards newspaper report. A newspaper report is a news story found in newspaper and are designed to provide people with information about what is happening in the world. Now, as I have told you before, that new newspaper is basically a medium to provide information about a recent event. So here, newspaper report is sort of an article or a report which is found in a newspaper and are designed to provide information regarding recent events to the people or the public audience who want to know about the information that happens in a country or in media or anywhere else. Whatever the news is, whatever the new information is, it is told by a newspaper report. Now here a structure of newspaper report, that how a person can write a newspaper report, or if you can see a newspaper in front of you, so uh, how can you identify what is there as a structure? Like newspaper report have certain structure that you need to follow. This structure is sometimes called the inverted pyramid. This is what it looks like. So here, as you can see that an inverted pyramid is given. So there are some sort of a structure and some components are here as well. So the first component is headline. As you can see, headline on the top of your newspaper, which is written in a bold form, right? Now, in a newspaper report, you need a lead paragraph. And a thing is, there are some sort of a lead paragraph as well and a body as well, right? So, headline is something different. Headline is a separate phase, a separate thing here. Now, after headline, when there is an information given there, so you need to know about, if you are looking at a newspaper report, there you will find the information like who, what, when, where, why, how, right? These are some of the 5 W's and 1 H questions which you will find in newspaper report. So like one is lead paragraph and another is body. So who, what, when and where are the leads which is required, like you can say like that, which which you know through what has happened there. And now the body is something in which you get to know about how the incident happened and why the incident happened. Clear? So let's move towards the other slide. Structure of newspaper report. Now here are some detail here, little bit detail here. So headline should be catchy and attractive. Like why? Because when you see a newspaper and a newspaper report, the first thing which highlighted in the newspaper is the headline, the bold words. So headline should be catchy and attractive, the one which attract the public or a reader, right? Okay. Now the another word is who. Now you have in the newspaper report you need to find like who, the question who was involved or who was involved in that event, what took place, and when did it took place, date, time, etc. When is identified as date, time, and the day, and whatever recent we can say that recent things happen there. So the time, date, day, or we can say it is like that season or something. Okay, right? So now another is where the incident took place, where did it happen, right? Now what took place, what happened, what was the event, who is involved, who like some person was involved or some animal was involved or whatever, who related to whom, everything is in there. Now let's move towards another thing, which is we call a body. Like we have discussed about the lead paragraph, so let's move toward the body paragraph, as I have told you in the previous slide. Like why did it happen? Like you have you will find the detail in that newspaper, or if you are writing a newspaper report, so uh you will have to write it down like that, why the incident happened, what took place, what were the evidences, and who did what, in the same way, in detailed manner, right? Now the second part of the body is how the event happened, what the details was, how it happened, who did it, in a detailed manner we have to write down in detail. Or if you are just identifying the components, you will find out how the things happen, the reasoning and everything. Okay, it you will find everything here in body, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And to get more interesting content, please click the bell icon on the top of the channel so that you can be notified with the interesting content more. Thank you so much.